Hey everyone, my name's Cody. I'm a technician here at McLean's RV Longhorn in Sanger, Texas. Today I'm going to be going over roof maintenance, slide out roofs, and your sealants on your roof. So the first big thing, your biggest enemies for your roof is going to be sun and trees. You can't stay away from the sun, but you can definitely stay away from trees. So first thing first, with your roof, keeping it clean is very important for the health of the rubber, TPO, PVC, whichever type of roof you have. There are coordinating cleaners and protectants that you can use for those. The best ones you want to get are for UV rays, because like I said, the sun is going to be a big problem that you're going to run into. The other thing we can look at is our sealants right here. This right here is called Dicor, and so what this does, it's going to seal the screws that secure the components to the roof. What we want to make sure is that these are super clean at all times. There's no cracks, there's no voids in it. Once we start to see a little bit of cracking and voids, don't be afraid to grab a tube of Dicor, the coordinating color, come up here and just fill the cracks, voids, anything that you may see abnormal on the roof. Keeping those clean is going to keep everything super healthy as well as your roof. The other thing we got here are these slide roofs. This 60th anniversary Solitude that we have installed slide toppers on them. Slide toppers is ultimately the best way to protect your RV slide roof. What they do is they keep the sun rays off of the membrane, off of your slide seals and your sealants. So it keeps them out of the sun, and so that's super helpful for you. If you don't have one of these really cool slide toppers we offer, what you can do before every pack up, after you're done camping, just grab a broom, come up here, clean off your slide roof, sweep everything off, make sure no trees or debris are stuck on the roof, because if you leave stuff on, it'll start tearing and wearing away at your RV slide roof membrane. And there's some other basic accessories we sell, like these MaxAirs. These MaxAirs go on top of your 14x14 vents, typically found in your bathrooms or kitchens. These are really great because what you can do is when you install them, you can open up your vents and you won't have to be scared of any rain or heavy winds. And they also protect your 14x14 vents from hail. So those are two really good selling points that we have. We can get you a slide topper installed and MaxAir vents. Thanks a lot for listening, and I hope you take these tech tips pretty good.